Welcome guys, welcome back. Let us see some of the products of Bauhaus Design Museum where they have exhibited. Okay, so first of all, can you see the chair? See how beautiful it is. Very simple guys. It's just a sheet metal which is just bent over and welded. And use of the leather materials for seating capacity. See, it doesn't have much complexity. It's just a simple cantilever structure and form and functionality is being represented. This is one classical design guys. See, again one classical same design. It's just the fabrication of a stainless steel bar and it's been welded in the cross members. See, people have thought it how you can able to reproduce it, how you can able to make a production again and again so that it makes scalable very easy for the production guys also. So thousands and thousands of people can able to use it. And particularly when I visited the Bauhaus Museum, I got a very good feel that this is a democratic design. This is a communism design. So people can able to afford it, people can able to use it, people will not spend much money. It's only for the functionality. See, it's not about luxury, it's not about, even though luxurious brands was there guys at that point of time. But Bauhaus was actually thought for replication to all people. It should be given for hundreds and thousands and millions of people. How will they do? Because in Russia, when the communism crisis happened, there was no space for the people to actually live. I mean, space was there, but the buildings and everything was very expensive. All the people can't afford the building architecture and having their house luxury. And you know what? The Bauhaus designers have made a very good construction principles. They have made the architecture in such a way it's very community design. Like everybody has a hall, they have a small kitchen, they have a place to sleep, they have a place for the toilet and corridor. Simple guys. And you know what? They have replicated this unit across thousands of buildings. They have created a whole apartment which is having 500 to 600 houses only of this basic design. And you know what? They have given it for the people, and people can able to use it. People can able to the people who are homeless and people who don't have the home, or maybe they're war immigrants, or maybe some of them are coming from the other countries as other immigrant people. So for them it is very useful. And you know what? They started making their life out of it. They started earning money, they started living in their house, they had a good social status also because of this. I mean, if you expect them to start building their house, it would take generations for them to get that kind of a upliftness. So that is why government was also very supportive for this kind of a design principles, where instead of building your own house, why don't you have community buildings? Why don't you have apartments, which is very simplistic and basic in nature, but still it caters for all the basic communities to live. See, it's not just product guys, it's about architecture, it's about graphics. I've been telling you. See, one of the most classic design. They've used coir materials for making the seat comfortable. See, it gives a feeling of the cushion, it gives the feeling of a comfort also. And additionally, can you see there is a spring on the right hand side? See, it balances when the weight is really huge. And they have given an extra support of wood on top of the steel bar, so people can able to keep their hands, or maybe people can able to keep any kind of a juice bottle or a water bottle for them to have it comfortably when they are sitting. See, and particularly guys, while Bauhaus itself was operational for these years, but its ideals are still worldwide spread, I told you. And one of the big the brand which has taken the Bauhaus is IKEA design. Starting from the IKEA logo, you can see how simplistic it is, how primitive colors they've used. Can you see their designs on the top? How beautiful, stackable and wonderful it is. How beautiful the living room is. See, very simplistic use of monochromatic colors, not much jarring colors, use of primitive shapes, not much organic form play. See, the concept of well-known popular modularity IKEA furnitures was actually born in Sweden, but it was inspired by the classic works of Bauhaus designers. That's the truth. People has to really understand that. And this is some of the primitive shapes, understanding how Bauhaus has been made. And you know what? Graphics is also really good, guys. Like how they've displayed the product in the museum, it's really wonderful. The kind of colors they've used orange for showing the vibrant and energetic feel. They've used colors to show simplicity. They've used the contrasting complementary colors, white and orange, so people can able to easily read it. And they have given a graphic design illustrations and typeface in that way, so people can able to read and understand it. See, that's why I've taken a picture of this. They have put a clear description of this product and who has designed it and what is the purpose of it. Super guys, wonderful. Okay, so in the coming video, we'll see about how Bauhaus is seen in graphics. We have seen about architectures, we have seen about product. Now we'll see about graphics and typeface, okay, which is very interesting, guys. We will see in the coming video.